Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to delete a keyboard layout in Windows 11. To start, simply open your computer's settings application. The quickest way to do this is by pressing the Windows key and the letter I at the same time. This action immediately brings up the main settings window. From here, we will navigate through a few simple steps to remove any unnecessary keyboard layouts you may have installed. It's a straightforward process, designed to streamline your typing experience. Once the settings window is open, look towards the left-hand side for the time and language option. Click on this to proceed to the next set of options. Immediately following, you will see language and region. Select this to access your system's installed languages and their configurations. This area gives you comprehensive control over how your computer handles different language inputs, ensuring a personalized user experience. In the Preferred Languages section, find the specific language entry that contains the keyboard layout you want to remove. To reveal more options, click on the 3 horizontal dots positioned right next to that language entry. A small drop-down menu will then appear. From this menu, choose Language Options to dive deeper into the settings for that particular language. This is where you can see all the keyboard layouts currently linked to it. Now, within the Language Options screen, scroll down until you locate the Keyboard section. Here, you will see a list of all installed keyboard layouts for that particular language. Find the specific keyboard layout you wish to remove from your system. Click on the 3 small dots next to that layout, and then select the Remove option from the menu. This action will immediately delete the selected keyboard layout from your Windows 11 installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.